Good morning to all the students of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Government College, Bullara. I am Praveen, Assistant Professor, English Literature. Students, today I am going to teach you, or I can say I am going to tell you about the novel The Mayor of the Castle Bridge, written by Thomas Hardy in 1886. This work is based in the area of Dorchester, which represents the Wessex city. This novel tells us about the selling of a wife by her husband to an stranger person named Newton. Actually, this novel starts with the main actor Henchard, who is going to a fair with his wife and daughter. The name of his wife is Susan and the name of his daughter is Elizabeth Jane. At that time, or I can say that at the time of the starting or the beginning of the novel, he was 21 years old and he was addicted to wine. At the time, he was drunkard. And in this state of drunkenness, he sold his wife to Newton, a seller, for 5 guineas. After he became a sober person, he came to his consciousness and came to know about the selling of his wife and daughter the previous night. He searched for his wife, his daughter everywhere, but he couldn't find them. Then he came to the city of Casterbridge, and he worked hard. He became their hairdresser. He began to cut the grass, but after his persistent work and effort, he became the mayor of the Casterbridge. So today I am not going to tell you about the whole story, but just the beginning of this novel and about some important characters which play very important role in the novel. So one important character in this work is Michael Henchard. Henchard is the main hero of this novel, and he is a hairdresser and also the mayor of the Casterbridge. The second important character in this novel is Susan. Susan is the wife of Henchard, and she is sold by her husband Henchard for 5 guineas. For just 5 guineas. And the third important character is Newton. Newton is the character. He purchased Susan and her daughter Elizabeth Jane for 5 guineas from Michael Henchard. The fourth important character is Elizabeth Jane. There are 2 Elizabeth Jane in this novel, because the Elizabeth Jane, which was the daughter by Henchard and Susan, died young when she was just an infant. And the second Elizabeth Jane, which became the second heroine in this novel, who marries Farfrae and attracted towards him, is not the daughter by Henchard and Susan, but by Newton and Susan. So these are 2 characters. Fifth one is Lucetta. Lucetta, her full name is Lucetta Templeman. She is a Jersey woman. Jersey woman she is called because she belongs to the area Jersey. She is the sweetheart of Henchard because he is nursed in his illness by Lucetta when he comes to the Casterbridge, but later on he rejects her because Susan comes back leaving Newton alone because she wants support for her daughter Elizabeth from Henchard. So Lucetta, but later on she dies of heart attack because some evil kind of people make a schemity right to defame her. The sixth important character is Job. Job is a character. He plays the role of manager in this novel, and in the beginning of the work he is appointed, or I can say that nominated by Henchard as manager, but when Farfrae appears, he throws him out because Farfrae wins the heart of Henchard as his manager. So the next character which I want to put before you is Farfrae. Farfrae is the major character and also rival to Henchard, not only in business but in also love, because in business he outshines Henchard. He wins all the credit of salvaging the grain, and also he wins the heart of Elizabeth Zane, which is the only relative and close to the heart of Henchard. So he is not a rival just in business but in love also to Mr. Henchard, and that's why Henchard want to defeat him, want to throw him out of the city, and not only from the city but from the heart of Elizabeth and in business also. So these are the important characters which will play very important role, and it is very important for us to know about the major characters, and I will take these characters one by one, and when we have completed all these characters minutely and with the qualities, the merits and dismerits of these ones, then we will come to the main story and the main themes which help us to understand this novel. So, and the one more important thing which I want to share with all of you, that the novels written by the Mr. Hardy are known as the Wessex novels. You know, as the novels of R.K. Narayan are called Malgudi novels, because he based all his novels on Malgudi, the imaginary place. In the same way, all the novels by Hardy are called Wessex because all of them are based on the Wessex city. This is just an imaginary city which represents the Dorchester where Hardy had spent his earlier life, and later on he presents them or the city through his work. So today I presented before you some important characters of the novel The Mayor of the Casterbridge, and in the next lecture I shall describe with you in more detail and in more elaborate way the character sketch and also the theme and the summary and what happened in the novel and why it interests us. Thank you very much.